Now we are going to cover limits of exponential function. Now in the exponential function, what we are going to cover? Logarithm and exponential both. Okay. So we are having two formulas. Limit x approaches to 0, a raised to power x minus 1 upon x. This is equal to log base e with a. Okay, base e a, where a is greater than 0, and limit x approaches to 0, e raised to power x minus 1 upon x. This is equal to 1. So let's prove it now. Now prove limit x approaches to 0, a raised to power x minus 1 upon x. Now let a raised to power x minus 1 is equal to y, okay, or we can write it a raised to power x is equal to 1 plus y. Okay. Now taking on both sides, we get is equal to log 1 plus y. Okay. So using the property of logarithm, we are having now x log e a is equal to log e 1 plus y. X is equal to log e 1 plus y upon log e. Okay. Now what was given to us? Now from the very beginning part, from this part now, limit x approaches to 0, a raised to power x minus 1 upon x is equal to limit x approaches to 0, y upon x. Okay. Why? Because we have taken that a raised to power x minus 1 is y. Is it clear? And to this now what I can write it? Let this be 1 now. Limit x approaches to 0. Now in place of y, as it is y, and in place of x this whole term. Okay. So we are having y upon 1 plus y upon log e a. Okay. Now this becomes limit x approaches to 0, log e a upon 1 upon y log 1 plus y. Now if 1 upon y, so if y is written here or y is written 1 upon y, that is one and the same thing. Okay. So now this becomes log e a upon limit x approaches to 0, log 1 plus y raised to power 1 upon y. Is it clear? So what we are having now? Now this becomes log e a upon log e e. This is equal to log e a. Limit x approaches to 0, 1 plus x upon 1 upon x is equal to a. Okay. Hence what we are having? Hence this part we have proved here. Hence limit x approaches to 0, a raised to power x minus 1 upon x log e a. Okay. So, this is one of the result. Proved. Now, for the second part, x approaches to 0, e raised to power x minus 1 upon x is equal to 1. Okay. Now, we have proved. Now, what we have proved? We have proved the first part. Okay, this we have proved. Now, we have proved limit x approaches to 0, a raised to power x minus 1 upon x is equal to log e a. Okay, this we have proved. Now, putting a is equal to e, we get limit x approaches to 0, e raised to power x minus 1 upon x is equal to log e with e. Okay. Limit x approaches to 0, e raised to power x minus 1 upon x is equal to 1. Now, why I have proved? Why 1? Because log base e with e is 1. So, these are the two very important properties for the exponential.